Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Valentina Arjona, in case you don't know me, and welcome to a new hairstyles video. It's been a while since I did one of these, so I really hope you like it. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and pay attention during the video and let me know in the comments which hair piece is your favorite, because I certainly have a favorite and I would love to know which one is yours. So let's get started. I'm going to start with this hairstyle because I think is the easiest one of all of them, but I think it's going to be one of the most popular hairstyles in this video just because it's so easy but it looks so cute. The first thing we're going to use for this hairstyle is a texturizing spray. I love to use this to give some texture to the hair, but if you can't find one or you don't have it, you can definitely do the hairstyle without anything. Before you apply the product, make sure that all of your hair is brushed and untangled, and then you can apply it everywhere, in the roots, but especially focus it in the ends so you can get that messy texture. After that, you're going to section the hair from the top towards your ear. This doesn't have to be perfect. On the other hand, the messiest the hairstyle is, the better it looks. Now that you section the hair, what you want to do is create a low ponytail. It is important that you only use your fingers to do this hairstyle because you want it to be messy, and if you use a brush it's going to be too perfect. When you start doing your ponytail, don't pass all the hair through the elastic, just twist it again and pass everything again. This is very hard to explain, so it's going to be easier for you to see what I am doing. The key is that you don't think too much, and you may have to do this a few times until you're happy with the result. It's one of those hairstyles that is going to be completely different every time you create it, but it's always going to look cute. If your hair is longer, then use the ends to cover the elastic and secure it with a bobby pin. This is the headband that I'm going to use today. It's a green linen kind of headband. I am obsessed with it. I think it's absolutely perfect for this hairstyle because it's still a little bit effortless. So I'm going to place it as usual. After you're done this, you're going to use the sections in the front and you're going to pass them backwards and pin them on top of the bun. Remember that the idea of this hairstyle is that it's very effortless and very messy, so just secure it with a bobby pin. Make sure you're not pulling too much and that it's still loose and messy. Afterwards, I like to pull a few strands of hair around my face just to frame it and make it look more casual. Okay, so this is the first hairstyle done. I love how it looks. Hard to explain, but super easy to create. Now let's move on to the next hairstyle. The first thing you want to do for this hairstyle is section the top layer of your hair. We're kind of going to do a half up, but you don't want it to be straight back, but towards the top of your head. For this section, you can use a brush and make it look as perfect as you want. And of course, secure this with an elastic. This is what I'm going to use for this hairstyle. Is a black bow. This one has an elastic attached, but feel free to use one that has a clip or another accessory if you want. For the next part, you want to use elastics that are a similar color to the bow that you're using, just to make it look a little bit more cohesive. In my case, I'm using black elastic with a black bow. Now you want to create a low ponytail with all of the hair, and the idea is that we're going to create a bubble braid. I find it easier when you do this one bubble at the time, so put the first elastic, and in this first section you just want to pull hair from the ponytail that has the bow, not from the sides. That is so you can actually create a bubble. Once you're happy with that, feel free to look around from the sides and how it looks everywhere, and then continue to add a second elastic and pull some hair to create the bubble, and repeat this until you reach the end of your hair. If you want, feel free to pull some hair in the front, but if you don't have a fringe, it's completely fine. You can put all your hair in the half up and it's going to be completely fine. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I think it's super cute. Now let's move on to the next one. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to remove all of the elastics, but I'm going to keep the half up without the bow. First, we're going to start with a curling iron and we're going to use a thick one because we want to work with thicker sections, and we're going to start curling everything outwards, always away from the face, and just make sure that you are actually getting the ends with the curling iron. Once that's done, don't let the curl go, just pin it with a bobby pin and let it rest and cool that way. Once you have everything, apply a light layer of hairspray. I like to use a workable hairspray, that way I can brush it afterwards and it's not going to leave any white residue. Now that this cooled off, I'm going to remove all of the bobby pins and I'm just going to brush the hair. And now we're going to add a big bow. This one is from organza, and just put it on top of the ponytail and that's it. Let me know if you like these kind of videos because I have more hair accessories and I can show you a lot of different hairstyles. So give me a thumbs up if you want another video like this and leave me a comment down below and I will do another one. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!